Hi guys. Hi Adya.
Hi.
How was the break?
Good.
Good. Hi Niviana. How was the break, ma? How was your
It's
break? I think you. I don't know. I'm not able to hear you. I'm able to hear Adya. Can you check? Did you go out somewhere, Niviana, or stayed at home? I stayed at home.
Good morning, Miss Priya.
Good morning, Sri Mitran. Niviana, you didn't tell me. Did you go out?
I watched a movie and go down for Black Friday.
Oh, that's nice. What movie did you watch?
It's a Tamil
Oh,
movie.
Tamil. Okay, okay, okay. I thought it was kids' year movie. Okay. Have you all watched Wonder?
Yes.
That's
No.
nice.
No.
Okay.
No.
It's a good movie. Shaggy Dog. Have you all watched Shaggy Dog?
No.
It's a very humorous movie. Definitely watch. Wonder, maybe 1 year later you can all watch Wonder. Wonder is a very good movie. Sri Mitra, did you go out?
No.
No. Stayed at home. I stayed at home as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, guys, tell me.
I went to River Walk.
Ah, that's nice. Is a rear nearby your house? Or
No.
oh, you had to go for a river walk. Okay, that's
Yeah.
nice.
We
Is it?
went to a boat.
Oh, that's nice. That's a memory, right? That's good. Good to know.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I went to Wayanad.
Why not? Oh, wow. What is, I mean, I've heard of it, but what is in there?
There are
I've
lots of
heard, but I don't know.
dams.
Huh?
There are lots of dams.
Oh, dams. Oh, nice. But
Hmm.
but it's not. It's famous for something else, right?
Waterfalls.
Ah, so did you have fun in the waterfalls?
Yeah, but I was also scared because of the amoeba.
But did you go through those tea plantations and all, huh?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, that's nice. Is it
We
far from
went.
your? Hmm.
It's not that.
Is it drivable?
Um, we took a flight, but I
Oh,
don't
then it's far.
know.
Then it's far from your place. Nice. But looking at those tea plantations and all, I've never seen. I want to see once. How are you, Akshara and Ananya? How are you guys? Ananya G as well. How are you? After a relaxed break, morning, right? Morning, early morning class. Yes. Let's see. Okay, let's go to what we want. Okay, guys. I don't know. See, a couple of things for this class, right? What I did see for the last homework, I had some feedback too. Hold on. Hey, Vishwa, your video is not getting on, huh? Vishwa,
Ma'am, it's on now.
it's on now. I did not see. Hold on. I need to reposition, otherwise, I can't see all of you. Yes, thank you, Vishwa. Really appreciate it. Are you liking the problems that we do, Vishwa?
Yeah.
Okay, I had some comments from Adya. Adya, what questions? Okay, oh my god. How to do page number 94? Okay, page number 94. Hold on. You wanted 94 and 3B, ma'am. Adya?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. It is just estimation, guys. Okay. Uh, wait. Oh, that was difficult, is it? Okay, I see. Good to know. Adya, we did a problem in class, right, Adya? We did a few problems in class, right, Adya? They are just the same, right? Ananya submitted, okay. Aradhya is not in here, oh my god. Okay. Shreyank, mom told me that he will not come. Aditi is not going to come. Okay, good to know. Okay, Adya, we did some problems like that. Nivyana, did you do the homework, ma? I did not see yours.
We forgot to update it, but I finished it.
But you finished it. That's good, ma. That's really good. One second, guys. One second. I don't know the password for the meetings. I asked all parents to be aware of what is it. I changed to I don't remember. Hold on, guys. Okay. They are just some parents who are trying to log in without the password.
Ma'am, it's M Rangers.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. I am also looking and I'm going to give them. Hold on. One second. Okay, let's go ahead. For Adya, let me do one or two of that type, and then you know what? I really want to discuss money with you guys. I don't know how much of money you guys know. I know it's not a part of this Beast Academy book, but I have separate exercises for you guys to do. Okay, let's see how that works. But before that, right, I really want to revise these. How about these? How about these? Suppose if you're given this, maybe I'll change it a little bit. Please don't shout out answers, guys. Okay, this is given. Okay, you're going to introduce parenthesis. When you introduce parenthesis, whatever operations and operands, first of all, what is this, guys? This is called an operation, correct? What are these two called?
Multiples.
Nice. See, okay. This is the operation. These two. Since the operation is multiplication, generally you don't, meaning whether it is multiplication or subtraction or addition or division, the ones that are used to perform that, this 2 and 8 are called operands. Got it? These two are called operands, and this is the operation. Here 4 minus 2, these two are called operands. This is called the operation. Make sense?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, whatever operation and operands are inside the parenthesis are given the first preference. They need to be executed first. You got it? Okay. Now, how about this? Insert parenthesis in this left side so that it's equal to the right side. That's what it means. So, please send the answer in chat. I really want to understand where parenthesis you're going to add on. Can we try that? Can we try that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Try. Let's do one or two. One, two. Okay. First do that. Let's do one or two more. Okay, go ahead. Vihan, I'm glad you were able to come in. Okay. I knew this was a. Aru, how are you, Aru?
Good.
Good. Okay. Did you have a relaxed holiday?
Yeah.
Did you send the answers? In this, you're going to add parenthesis to make the number equal to 9. There are multiple answers, guys. So I'm okay with whatever answer you do. Let me see. Ah, Vihan sent in. Vihan. Ah, but Vihan, you have to use the entire thing, right? In your Vihan, in your answer, this entire thing is missing. Did
Miss
you see?
Priya.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Vihan, did you get it? Vihan, did you understand? That's not right, right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Mistake.
Yes, ma. Yeah, ma. Okay. What was the question, ma?
Does it have to equal 9?
Yes.
Okay.
Shankari, that's correct, ma. Shankari, for that matter, is the parenthesis needed?
No.
I don't think
But
the
I just
parenthesis.
put it anyways.
Okay, good, good, good. To make it explicit. Good job, Aru. Akshara, nice Akshara. Okay, three of you completed, right? Can you use any of these? Okay, these are the operands. Okay, you're going to use the operations plus minus. What else is there? Multiplication. That's what you have learned well. So you can use these operations and you can also use parenthesis, make something equal to 5. Can you do that? I'm waiting. Others, you are going. See, you're going to finish this first. Send me the answer. And then you're going to jump into the second problem. Niviana, are you still thinking about it?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm just
good.
thinking of the ways.
Okay, good, 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 good. Sri Mitran, how about you?
It's a little hard. I did not get it.
How can you make it equal to 9? You remember? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse parenthesis. My dear multiplication and division Aunt Sally. Addition and subtraction. These are given the same preferences, correct? Adya, that's correct, ma.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Vishwa, I did not see your answer. Thank you for checking.
Miss Priya.
Vishwa, you cannot change it, Vishwa. You cannot change the order, Vishwa. Where? Vishwa,
Yeah?
you have to maintain the place where the operands are should stay where they are, but you can insert parenthesis if you want to. But you cannot bring the 8 in front or 7 go there like that. You cannot do. You cannot commute them. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll patiently wait. I want everybody's answer. Let me see.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, Amma.
Can you put multiples of equations for the second one?
What do you mean by multiples?
Like if I did one equation on the same message, can I just do another equation? Or do I give it in separate?
No, I'll make it more limited. Can you use 2, 5, 7 and 8 once? Is that okay? Is it okay? Vishwa, your answer is correct, but you cannot change the order. You can only insert parenthesis. So that answer is not valid. Oh, that's good, Shankari. That answer is correct. Now, I brought in a limitation. Did you see that? Can you use these four numbers once?
To make 5?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know how to make 5, but I can check, yeah.
Priya auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
does the second problem have to have a parenthesis?
Need not. Okay. Need not.
Priya auntie,
Yes, tell me.
so I don't know which one is like the times button, so I'm stuck.
You can use a star. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
You can use a star.
Okay.
Good. Vihan, very nice, Vihan. That is right. Guys, I'll tell you the answer for the first question now. I think I'll go over the answer for the first time. See here. You need a 9, right? For that, what you can do? Look at this. 5 times 2 is a 10. I need a 9. So let me add 7 plus 5 together by putting a parenthesis like this. Is it worth it? It's going to become a big number because 7 plus 5 times 2 is going to change. 7 plus 5 times 2 is going to become a big number. From that, if I subtract 8, it is not going to work. You see what I mean? So that's not going to work. Maybe, can I do this? But you cannot subtract 8 from a 2. That's not valid as well. Let me put a bracket here, the parenthesis here. That would be a 10. Then you have 7 plus 10 minus 8. Which one comes first? If you have addition and subtraction, you have to go from left to right. 17 minus 8 is what? 17 minus 8 is
9.
9. See, you got it. So you just put a parenthesis here. Does that make sense? Niviana, good job.
Yeah, that was already my way, which I was
Oh,
going to.
nice, nice. And then you know what I asked you? Okay, let me take this off. I don't want you guys to suffer. Use these numbers. You have to use only once, but then you can use these operands and these operations to get a 5. Can you get a 5 like that? Good job, Aru. That is correct.
Miss Priya,
Yes,
do
ma.
you have to use all of them?
No, not all of them. Meaning it's a very open question. You can use any number of those numbers, any number,
Miss
only one.
Priya,
Yeah,
you have to use all of the symbols.
not really.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
so before you put 2, 5, and 7 and 8, right?
Correct.
And it has to equal 5.
Correct.
I already answered that, and then like right when I answered that, you erased it.
No, no, no. I want that. That's making the problem hard. So I made it easy by erasing it, and then I was going to bring it again once everybody answers that. I will check your answer. Okay.
Okay.
Good job, Shankari. That is perfectly right. Okay, so you answered the third question as well. Good job.
Miss Priya, am I right?
Adya, I'm checking Adya. Wait. I think this is good. Adya, did you understand how to do now?
Yeah.
Yeah, 15. Oh, you use division. Okay, I will give it to you, but I never gave you division. Okay, I'll give it to you though. Think of ways, guys. You can have 100 answers. So, meaning I don't want to say, hey, this is the right way. There are so many ways. Ananya, we go ahead, ma. Hey, I'm not able to hear you, good lady.
I can't find the time sign. Like in the first question, I answered. I already know the answer, but I couldn't find the time sign. And now I know the answer, but I can't find the time.
Times star is there, right?
Or you could use an X.
Or you can use an X, or you can use shift 8. Shift 8.
Shift what?
8 8.
Shift H. Oh, wait, Mama said.
Niviana, I don't want you to answer so easily.
Miss
Okay, make
Priya,
it a little bigger. At least with, let's say, with two operands. At least you should use two operands. How about that?
okay.
Let's
I
say
wanna
at least.
edit it.
That's good, Shankari. That is correct. See, the more the number of answers you give me, the better your brain becomes. So you don't
Miss
have to
Priya,
sit and while
what
away. Go ahead.
what number do we have to use at least once again?
You can use these operands. You
But
can
you said
use
like
these
oh,
operations. Okay,
but you said
don't
we have to you have to use one like one like four numbers.
use these operands only once. Don't reuse them. Does that make sense?
What was supposed to be?
Okay, I think
Priya,
we are waiting a lot. Oh yeah, go ahead.
I have an answer for the 2, 5,
Yeah,
and 7.
perfectly right, Aru. Very good job. Very nice work.
Miss Priya,
Oh,
am I
nice. Yes, you're right, Vishwa. Good job. Very
I
proud of
correct?
you.
Miss
Thank
Priya,
you.
can we use a lot of numbers at the same time?
You can use, but only once. Hey, Vihan, what is it? Answer one, Nama.
It's so easy. Second one.
Huh? Okay.
No, I actually put that on mistake for some reason.
Oh,
I
okay.
typed one on mistake, like alternative shift.
Oh, wow. Ananya ji, very nice answer. Shankari,
You can do it.
minus 12. Oh, wow. Shankari, very nice job. Okay, there are multiple ways. Should I say the answer? I think all of you got it at least once. Akshara, I didn't get yours, ma. See, this was one answer I got.
Mom,
See here.
there are millions of I just answers. Sent mine.
Yeah, you sent
I
ma. Okay, I'll check. I'll check. I didn't see.
Miss Priya, there are millions of answers.
Ananya, your answer becomes 10, right, ma? Then you should use 8 minus 6. No. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, Ananya. Ananya V, your answer is right. Vihan, correct, ma. Yeah, there are millions of answers, correct. Aru, not million, but many answers. Oh, good job, Aru. Very nice. Niviana, correct, ma. Akshara. Eight and ten. Oh, wow. Nice, Akshara. Very nice. Vihan, Vihan, you did not listen to one thing. I asked you to at least use two operations. To Niviana, I was saying, you use at least two operations, I said.
Miss
Okay.
Priya, am I correct?
All of you got at least one correct. That I verified. Yes, Srimitran, that is correct. Oh wow, your answer is very nice. Srimitran has it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus
Wait,
4
wait, let me just use
minus 5.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, you can have so many answers. Now let's move on now. Okay, you all are very good. Okay, where are you with respect to money? This is not related to book 3B, but it doesn't matter to me. Okay, as long as you guys get it. One thing, guys, wait a minute. I want to check something in your classroom. Did we do that? Oh, okay. GIMP kit. Oh, we didn't do the multiplication thing in your class. Ready for perimeter challenge. Oh, I did that. Okay, but I want to verify this one with you guys. Okay, 11 minus 7, 11 plus 1. Ah, good job, Shankari. Okay, how about this, guys? I really want to know. See, school will test you for money, I know that. But let's see. Okay, the way we consider money is a little different. It's going to be a little tough as well. Let's see. There are a couple of topics I want to cover on money. Okay, so first of all, let's say you all know money, right? Now,
Yeah.
$1 is how many cents? $1, I'll write it like this, right? How many cents?
Is 100 cents.
100 cents, right? Now, suppose I have $5, right? How many cents it is?
500 cents.
500 cents. Good.
500.
I have $1 and 25 cents. How many cents it is?
125. 125.
Suppose I have $1.50. How many?
150.
Wait. I did not give you the question. How many quarters I have?
Oh,
How many
so
quarters?
quarter. 6.
Good job. In $1, there is always 4 25 cents. Did you get it? In $1, there is always 4 25 cents, which make up 100 cents, right? 25, 25, 25, 25 make up 100. And your 50 cents means you have 2 25 cents. You got it? So how many 25 cents in $1.50? It's 6.
6.
How about this? I have $1.05. Or let me change it a little bit. $1.10. How many dimes are in it? How many dimes are in it?
111.
Good. Good, Aru.
11.
How many dimes are in this $1?
11.
10. 10 times 10, right? 10. Because that's 100 cents, right? Niviana, are you aware of these?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So there are 10 cents in $1. There are 10 cents in $1 and one more 10 cent here, right? 10 cents and then there is one more. So there are 11 dimes in $1. Make sense? How many nickels are there? How many nickels are there? How many nickels are there in that $1?
22.
$1.
50. 50. 50. 52. No. Yeah, no, 22. 22.
I will wait. You have to come to a consensus. Aru, how many 5 cents are in $1, Aru? Vihan, that's right. How many 5 cents are in $1? See, 100 cents, right?
Yeah.
100 cents. How many means how many 5 cents go into 10 cents means you have to divide by 5. 5 times what is 100? 5 times what is 100?
5 times. Miss Priya, am I right?
Wait, ma, I'm talking to her. Go ahead, Aru.
5 times, Mom.
Go ahead.
5 times,
Okay, I'll tell you an easy way here. Aru, I really want you to know this easy way. How many 5s go? Ananya ji, wait ma 1 minute. How many 5s go in 10, Aru?
2,
2. How many 5s go in 0?
0.
That's it. That's the answer. 20. And there is 10 cents in here, right? Again, you have to divide by 5. See, if this is cent, this should also be in cent. That's the only thing you need to remember. How
Mhm.
many 5s in 10 cents? 2, right?
2.
Here there are 20, here there is 2. So how many 5 cents are there in $1 10 cents?
22.
Yes. Yes, Ananya ji, go ahead and ask your question. Ananya ji, go ahead, ma. You had a question, right? Very good, Akshara. Go ahead. Wait, I don't hear you, ma. What is it? Ananya, we are not able to hear you. G. Huh? Is anybody able to hear her or is it me?
I can't hear her.
We
No,
can't
I
hear
can't
you.
hear her either. I can't hear.
Ananya, we cannot hear you. Okay, you're all going to answer these two questions, okay? How many, Ananya ji, you have to call your mom. How many nickels, okay, are in $2.30? How many pennies in $1.20? How You have to call your mom for these three questions together. You're going to send the answer to me. Only when passing through this, I'm going to go to my money thing.
How many nickels?
Did you get it? Even one answer, if you get it, you can send it to me. The first answer, if you get it, you can send it to me. Just put the number of the question. Okay. Okay. Let me see this one, guys. Before you go ahead, right? I don't mind telling you this. How about this? 100, how do you divide by 5? This is a very easy way. Please understand this. How many 5 in 1? You can't see. So take up 10. How many 5 in 10? 2. Then you finish this. How many 5 in 0? 0. Suppose if they ask you 110. Let's say $1.10 becomes 110 cents, right? Divide by 5. How do you divide by 5? How many 5s in 1? Nothing. Let me take it up as 11. How many 5 in 11? 2. 2, right? How many 5? How many 5s go in 11? 2. But again, that's only 10 and you have one carry. That one carry is not going to help. So that one carry is there. So push that here. The next number becomes 10. How many 5 in 10? 2. So there are 22 5s in 110. Similarly, let's take up 225. Divide by 5. How do we do this? The number 22. How many 5s in 22? 4. Is there a carry? Is there a carry? How much is the carry? I take up 5 times 4 is a 20. How much is the carry now? Yes. Shout it out, Ananya. 2. 2 is the carry. So the next number becomes 25. How many 5s in 25? 5 times what is a 25? 5.
5.
Easy? So what can I say? There are 45 5 cents in 225. Make sense?
Yeah.
Let's try. No, I gave you a hard problem. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. They are of different intensity. So go ahead and do.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma. Akshara,
am
I
I
just
correct?
yeah, Akshara, I'm checking yours, ma. Wow. Akshara, you're almost there, but is the multiplication correct? Did you check? You're almost there. The concept is correct though. Vihan, I'm checking your answer now. Uh, Kilza. Yeah. Uh, Good job, Vihan, on the third one. Good job, Vihan, on the second one. Nickel is how many cents, guys? Nickel is how many cents?
5.
Yeah. Then, good. If you have $2.30, how many total cents are in there? How many total cents are there?
230.
230 cents. Now, we are trying to find out how many 5 cents are there in 230 cents. So, basically, we are trying to find out how many 5s are there in 230. So, what do we do? 230 divided by 5. How do we do it? How many 5s go in 20? How many 5s go in 20? You have to be interactive. How many 5s go in 20?
4. 4.
4. Good job. Is there a carry?
Yeah.
What is a carry?
3.
3. So this number becomes 30. How many 5s go in 30?
6.
6. So is the answer not 46? 46 nickels. How many pennies are there in $1.20? 120. 120 cents, right? So that will be 120 pennies. How many quarters? Quarters means, see, we have $4. $1, $1, $1, another $1, and then you have a 25 cents. So this is quarter means 25 cents, right? So there is 1 here. In this there are 4. In this there are 4. In this there are 4 25 cents. 16 plus 1, 17. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, yes, Ananya, go ahead. What is your question?
I sent it, but you didn't check it.
Check. Okay, ma. I started explaining. I'm sorry. 1 second, guys. Let me give you one more problem. So now you all, good Adya. 1 minute. Okay, now let me see how many. You're going to do one more. Let me see. How many nickels is the main problem I'm seeing for all. Nickels in $3.30. Try that one, guys. I'll wait. Okay. 2 questions I'll give you. How many nickels in $1.25? 2 questions only. Let's see.
Miss Priya.
Ma?
I was on this third question of the problem she gave before. I was on the third one.
That's okay. Let's do this now.
Okay. Miss Priya, am I correct? Miss Priya, am I correct?
I'll check, ma. Wait, Srimitra, I'm checking your answer first.
166.
Good job, Srimitran. That's correct. Sri Mitran, that's correct. Wait.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Sri Mitran, correct. Shankari, correct. Nivyana, I know that you did not do the third problem. Would you be able to do these two now?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Aru, I'll wait for your answers.
Oh,
Vishwa, the first
I
one
was
is correct.
I was about to send.
Send Amma. Ananya, V correct ma.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Adya, I didn't check yours honestly. Yes, that's correct.
Hi.
Nivyana, how did you do, lady? I asked you for nickels. I did not ask you for quarters. I asked you for nickels.
Oh, nickel.
Nickels is how many cents is a nickel? Yes, Aru, correct. Vishwa, I'm waiting for your second answer.
5.
Nanya ji, I'm waiting for your answer. What happened? No video? Ananya ji? Hey, your voice is not.
I finished.
Yeah, Vihan, I'm checking.
It's on the same. It's on the same one I just used last time.
That's okay, ma. That's okay. That's right, Vihan.
Yeah.
Vishwa, correct. Nice, guys. Looks like you picked up. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and tell you. So, $3.30, right? How many total cents? Nivyana is going to help me or Akshara is going to help me. How many total cents? Ananya ji, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, like this one. Vishwa, correct, ma. But guys, Nivyana, you're going to help me. How many cents are there in $3.30?
330.
So what did I ask? How many?
330 divided by 5.
Vishwa, I'm talking to Nivyana. Can I please talk to Nivyana? Is it okay if I talk to Nivyana?
Sure.
Okay, good. Nivyana, how many nickels means how many cents? How many cents are there in a nickel?
Sorry.
There are 5 cents in a nickel.
How many?
5 cents.
5 cents. So how will you divide this? How will you divide this? Go ahead and divide. I'll help you.
So 3 is too small. So then we go to the next number,
Hmm.
and then it's 33.
Hmm. How many 5s in 33?
Mm.
How many 5s in 33?
Mm.
5 times what is 33? Near to 33.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, go and come back quickly, Vishwa. Go ahead, Nivyana. How many 5s? Huh?
6.
6. Good job. Is there a carry? Is there a carry? 5 times 6 is just a 30, but there are 33. Is there a carry?
Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Oh, come quickly. Go ahead.
Okay.
Is there a carry?
Yeah.
Well, how much? 3 is the carry, so this number becomes 30. So how many 5s in 30? 6. So there are 66 nickels in $3.30. How many nickels in $1.25? Akshara, can you help me? You're going to help me now. What are we going to do? Ananya, did you understand? I think you got the second one right, Ananya? That's fine. I think you understood the concept. Your division was incorrect. Ananya ji, did you understand the first one? The first one was incorrect. Did you see that? 66 was the answer. 330 divided by 5. 5, here 6. 3 is a carry. It becomes 30. How many 5s in 36? Did you get it? Okay. Now, how many nickels are in $1.25? So, total number of cents is 125. Divide by nickel means 5. So how many 5s in 12? 2. 2 carry, this becomes 25. How many 5s in 25 is 25. So 25 nickels are present. Okay. Now let me ask you this, okay? There's a candy, okay, which is being sold in a shop. Okay. This is store A. Okay. This is store B. Okay. This store sells 4 candy bars. This store is selling 4 candy bars for $2. This store is selling 1 candy bar for 40 cents. Which store will I go to? The same candy bar is being sold. Okay. Which store should I go to? Why? What do you all think? This is a very common example, right? You have store A, store B, selling the same candy. One store is selling each candy for 40 cents. Okay. This store is selling 4 candies for $2. 1 minute, Vishwa. Go ahead and send the answer to me. I'll definitely let you speak out. Or if you don't know as well, you can say you don't know. I just need to know where we are before even going further, right?
Should I shout out or should I say in the
Always.
chat?
Thank you, Vishwa. I really appreciate you asking. Can you send in chat? I'll let you explain to the class. Really appreciate it, Vishwa. Good job, Akshara. Can you explain, you think, Akshara? Why, Ma? Why would you go to that store?
Because 4 candies cost less than store B.
So what? Why would you go there? I want some explanation.
Can I explain?
Wait, Ma. I have 4 answers. Wait. Go ahead, Vishwa.
Store B because it sells more chocolates. And it's actually worth it.
That's what Nivyana says. Nivyana says, I'll go to store B because there are more chocolates. The only thing...
it's store A.
1 minute, Chankri. Wait, I was talking to Akshara.
And
Akshara,
the values...
Why did you say store... Akshara, why did you say store A?
Because 4 candies cost less in store A than store B.
What is it, Ma?
4 candies cost less in store A than store B.
So what is the cost of 1 candy in store B? What is the cost of 1 candy in store B?
50 cents.
Good job. Store B, while they are selling 4 candies for $2, that is 200 cents. If it is split between 4 different candies, that 200 cents is split into 4 candies, right? So each candy will be sold at 50 cents. So which, go ahead, Shankari, now. So which store should I go to, Ma? Shankari, you want to go to? Store A, because each candy in store B is costing 50 cents. Whereas store A sells that same candy for 40 cents. I would go there. Okay, how about this? How about this? What is it, Ma? Okay, let me go back. Okay, suppose if I go to store B, I want to buy 5 candy bars. I want to buy 5. I want to buy, okay, let's say 5 candy bars I want to buy. How much will I be paying in store B? how much will I be paying in store? Let's say 8 candy bars. That's better. I want to buy 8 candy bars. Okay. How much will I be giving the cashier in store A? How much will I be giving the cashier in store B if I want to buy 8 candy bars? Good job, Ananya, Aru, Adya. Ananya V. I want to buy 8 candy bars. Okay. So, in store A, what is the money I would pay? In store B, what is the money I would be paying? Guys, you can just say you will pay you can just say A, I'll pay this much, B, I'll pay this much. That's the answer I want to get. 8 candy bars I want to buy. Okay, I go to store A, how much I need to give them? I go to store B, how much I need to give them? I need to buy 8 candy bars. Think well and answer. Okay, Ananya B.
Am I correct?
1 minute. Ananya V, store B is correct. What is the amount I will pay in store A? You have not sent to me.
I'm sending it. I'm like typing it.
Vishwa, what is that, Vishwa? What is that number, Vishwa? I don't understand your answer.
You have to pay 500 to get 8 candies.
Okay, let me come back to you. I don't think so, right?
Yeah. 500.
That's right, Adya. That's right, Adya. But Adya, guys, when you all answer right, you have to always answer to me in dollars or cents. Both the answers should be in the same, and you should tell me what you're answering in. Adya, you see the difference between A and B of your answer? One is 320, one is 4. That doesn't make any sense. Then you need to tell me what are you answering in? Is it cents? Is it dollars? Or both answers should be in dollars? Something you need to tell me, right, Adya? Do you see, ma? Your answer is right, you understood. But you have to differentiate them, right? One is 320, one is 4. What does it mean?
Am I correct?
Ananya G, I'm checking.
Am I correct?
Ananya G, did you understand the question? In store B, all the 4 candies are sold for $2. Ananya G, all the 4 candies are sold at $2.
Am I correct?
Here, let me finish. Ananya G, each candy is sold for 40 cents in store B, A.
No.
So your answer might differ. Vishwa. Vishwa, that's not correct, Vishwa. Somewhere you have not understood, Vishwa. Let me come back to you. Ananya V. Is it exactly $3, Ananya V? Did you check? Good job, Vishwa. The first answer is correct. Store B is incorrect, ma. Shankari, good job. Both are in dollars. I really appreciate it. That's right. Perfectly. Okay. Niviana. Niviana, your second answer is incorrect. Akshara. Okay. Let me go ahead and explain this, guys. Vihan, I did check your answer, ma. Both are correct. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and try this one. Guys, I'm going to buy 8 candy bars. I go to store A. The storeman says, hey, each is 40 cents. Each one is 40 cents means I want to buy chocolate, 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 chocolate. Each is 40 cents. If each is 40 cents, I don't want to sit and add these. You already know multiplication, repeated addition, right? 40 times 8, that many cents. So it is 320 cents. Cents is always written after the number. Cent, the symbol is always written after the number. 320 cents means I would be paying $3.20. Here, for the same 8 candy bars, it's already said a set of 4 costs $2. Now I'm going to add another set that is for $2. So how many dollars will I be paying here for 8 candy bars? I'll be paying $4 here. Did you guys get it? Who did not understand this? Who did not understand this? Okay. Now, you know what is a dozen? How many of you know what a dozen is?
I know.
How much?
12.
Good. Good, good, good. Half a dozen of oranges, okay, cost $3. Okay.
Easy peasy lemon peasy.
How much will one orange cost?
It would cost about. Can I have that?
Link DOLL
50 cents? One orange would cost 50
You all
cents?
can send the answer in chat, not shout out at all, because everybody is working and we are going to respect everybody. I can say whether you're right or wrong.
Nice.
Good job, Aru, on the previous problem. You can see my reactions as well in the chat, so for you to know whether you're right or not. Srimitran, I did send you. Guys, come on, try.
$1. $52.
You're going to think and tell me. Neon, in chat. Can I mute you? You're thinking out loud?
Yeah,
Send in chat. Vishwa. Not quiet. Vishwa, you're not looking at it correctly. Can I show you? Akshara, half a dozen means 6 oranges. Cost $3. This is so hard. Let me convert it to cents, right? So this is 300 cents. How much will one orange cost?
600 cents.
No, 300 is split across 6. Right? For 6 oranges, I was giving 300 cents. So each orange will be 300 by 6. Divide by 6. So it would be how many 6 and 35? How many 6 and 0? 50 cents. Did you guys get it? Each orange will be 50 cents. Nivyana, did you understand that?
Mrs. Priya?
Yeah.
Yama, tell me, what is it?
On my iPad, there's no a cents button.
Oh, that's okay. You can just say CENTS.
Okay.
Okay.
Or C.
15-inch tuna. 15-inch tuna is costing $3.50. Please tell me, what will a 45-inch tuna cost? What will a 45-inch tuna cost? I'm going to wait and see, and then I will go over this. My video is off. That's not good. 15-inch tuna is costing $3.50. 45-inch tuna. One thing you can do, guys, here, see. Let me draw a picture for you. This is 15-inch tuna. Okay. Now this is costing. Okay, here inches. Okay, we are talking about the cost, right? It is costing $3.50. Okay, the problem is they're asking something here 45-inch. I can't go from here. I don't know big numbers. I can't go from here to here. So what is the best way to deal with this? I can go back to a 1-inch tuna. Is that easy? I don't know. Do you want to calculate for 1-inch tuna, or do you know how to go from 15 to 45-inch? When you think about it, 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 45. 15 times 3 is 45. So these small numbers you should be able to with practice. So 15 when multiplied by 3, meaning the same thing, if I make it 3 times, I will arrive here. So how to find the money? Who answered already? Let me see. Good job, Srimitran. You can leave. The homework will be on this one this week. Good job, Aru. You can leave. Very nice. Shankari, good job. Ananya G.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Ma. I'll send some mental math for you.
What about me?
Vishwa, I'm checking. Yes, Vishwa, that's correct.
Miss Priya, can I leave?
Yeah, you can, Vishwa.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Ma. See you next week.
Well, I was the answer.
I'll check.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Adya, yes, Ma. You can leave. Homework will be on this. I'll see you next week. Have a nice week ahead after the break. Bye, Ma.
Bye.
Bye, Ma.
What was the question?
The question is asking, the question is written here. 45-inch tuna is how much?
Well, can you check my answer?
Wait, I'm going to check each of your answer. Ananya G, good job. Ananya G, 15 was multiplied by a 3. So you got 45-inch. Did you see that? Now, they are asking how much money for the 45-inch tuna. So the same thing you need to do here. So what you will multiply with a 3, ma, Ananya Ji? There is a slight mistake. Ananya Ji, did you understand? Akshara, good job, ma. You can leave. Nice work, Akshara.
Did I send mine? Bye.
Vihan, yes, you sent. Good job. Very nice.
Kelly.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm waiting for the other answers. Ananya V. Is that right, Ananya V? How did you do that? What did you multiply with? You can't multiply. Okay. Dollars, what you can do? $3.50 is one piece. Like that, you need to have 3 pieces, right? Another $3.50, another $3.50. Did you add them together? Did you add them together? Because 15 plus 15 is a 30-inch tuna. So that will be $3.50 plus $3.50, which is $7. Then again you are going to add one more 15-inch tuna, right? So what happens? 7 plus $3.50 is $10.50. Make sense? That was a difficult one. Ananya G, Ananya V, did you get it? Ananya G, did you understand? Yeah, okay. Nivyana, how about you?
I understand.
Good. Can I stop here?
Yeah.
It was difficult today. Bye, guys. See you all next week. Okay, have a
Bye.
nice week ahead, guys. Guys, when the class, how was the break, guys? How was the break for you all? was the break for you all?
It was good.
Good? Okay. Okay, let me go back.
But yeah, I didn't see that you like posted the homework until like yesterday because I went on vacation.
Oh, no worries, ma. Maybe I posted it late. Did I post it late? I don't know.
You posted it, I think, on
Yeah,
Saturday.
26. I've given 26. I don't know. When did I? I don't think I posted. No, I posted it on 21st, ma. Yeah, on the day of class, right? No, I don't remember.
No,
After the
we didn't
class.
have class last week.
Okay. 21st only I posted, looks like. No problem, ma. You can do it next week as well.
Okay, I did like one problem.
After you solve. Okay. So we are only doing proofs, right? Okay. Ashita, do you have the calendar for the next one? And Srishti, do you have the calendar for the next
I
week ahead?
think I do. I'll check.
It would be nice if I have it, ma. Because
Okay.
these proofs were really good. That's why I sent. Because we had a tough time last class, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this proof should really help you, is what I thought. Okay, I can go ahead. I have something with me, but I don't want to go ahead. See, 3D geometry is something we have not done yet fully. So I really want to go over that. Why did we not do 3D geometry fully? I'm thinking. 7.
Let's pray. I sent the calendar to you.
Yeah, that helps. In WhatsApp, ma?
Yes.
Wait, I don't have WhatsApp on the laptop, so hold on. Yeah, I got it. Give me 1 minute, guys. I just want to be sure. I don't want to. I want to help out as well. So let's see. Okay. So have you all completed 3D geometry in school, ma?
We just did surface area and volume.
Surface area and volume. Okay. See, but you didn't. Okay, I see.
And
They are
cross
only.
section.
I see. So you did not cover polygons.
We like covered just area and perimeter, not proofs of polygons.
No, 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 no. Polygon, central angle, and all you didn't cover.
No.
Okay, see, that's because you have to do trigonometry before that. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go ahead and see these. We have covered 30, 60, 90, and 45, 45, 90 triangles, right, guys?
Yeah.
Srishti, you remember that, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, that exists when an altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of the right triangle, including the geometric mean. Okay. Okay, we want to cover similarity. One second, guys. Have we covered transformation, guys? Yeah, I do have my
Yes.
notes, but we have, right?
Yes.
Composition of transformation as well. We have covered well for you guys. Okay. And the notations are important. That is the extra knowledge that you get in geometry. See, transformations we have already covered in grade 7, but the notations, doing it from right to left, when you're given two transformations, doing it from right to left is far more important. Other than that, okay, so let's see. I'll do similarity today, but I want to cover triangle proportionality theorem. Okay. So we do need to do a little bit more on 3D geometry. I'll come back to it because without trigonometry, it's very difficult to go there. So what I would do today is triangle similarity I'll do. Let's see. On the easy one. 1 second, guys. You're going to bear with me. Hold on. Okay, I am thinking. Let's see. Let me also review a little bit of this. How about this? I'll give you this question. Let me see. Okay. How about this? Can you tell me what is x? This is based out of what we studied earlier. Okay, but yeah. This is based out of what we studied on the what type of triangle is this? It's a right triangle, I know. What type of right triangle is that? What type of right triangle is that?
An isosceles right triangle.
Good. So what will be the angles?
45, 90.
Nice. Okay. In a 45, 45, 90 triangle, can you find out x? The next question is all about 30, 60, 90 triangle. Find x and y. If you don't remember, it's okay. It is just a review, right? So I can do it on the board, but at the same time, it would be nice if you guys go ahead and tell me the answers.
I have a tragic tale.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Priya, for the second question, do you want both x and y?
Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. I think for KU that's going to be difficult, right, ma?
Yeah, I don't really understand what it
Okay,
is.
okay. Okay, and when it comes to the class recording, please make sure I am trying to post it in the Google Classroom. If you don't get it, let me know. If you get it as well, yeah, if you get it as well, find it useful as well. Let me know. If you are getting the incorrect recording as well, let me know. The thing is, since you have a class, we have a class back to back, right? The class was not over when you came in, right? So the recording will be for the entire 2 hours. So make sure you go through the last half. Okay, if you want it. Finished? Guys, should I wait? Should I explain? I don't know what to do, guys. Question number 2 doesn't seem right, ma. Srishti, you got a hang of it. Yes, both seem right. Ashrita, you corrected it? No. First one seems right, ma. Second one doesn't seem right, Ashrita. Can you check?
Okay.
Can I help or others are you doing or what do you want me to? Yeah, correct, ma'am. Vibha, correct. Hey, Vibha, do you follow R.D. Sharma book? Do you follow the R.D. Sharma book, ma?
No. We follow the Cambridge book.
Oh, Cambridge. Oh, you are just like Shama. You are also in the same school, huh?
Not same school, but same like branch.
Same?
Branch.
Oh, branch. Oh, I see. Oh, so in different locations, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Cambridge. Okay, let me explore. R.D. Sharma belongs to CBSE, but you're talking about Cambridge. Okay, let me check. This is a very good book. Okay, I was looking at the content for 8, 9, 10. Very nice content in this book. Anyway, but you follow whatever your school follows. Oh, that's right, Mitransh. Nice, Mitransh, to see your answer. Yes, Ashita, that's right. So, guys, can I go ahead and solve? I think, Mahi, did you get it, ma? Okay, Kayura, I'm going to help you, Kayura. 45, 45, 90 means 45, 45, 90 degrees, right? The ratio of the sides is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. That means, let's say 1x, 1x, root 2x. That's what it means. 1x is this side, 1x is this side, root 2x is this side. So whatever side is given, just equate it. 14 equal to root 2x, right? What is x? X will be 14 by root 2. But I've always told you your denominator cannot be irrational, multiply by the same thing. So you get 14 root 2 by 2, which is 7 root 2. So your x value is 7 root 2 means the sides are 7 root 2, 7 root 2. That's all. Did you get it?
Wait, so is that ratio for all triangles like
No,
this?
only a 45, 45, 90 triangle.
Oh, okay.
45, 45, 90 triangles. They are special right triangles. Whereas in a 30, 60 right triangle, this is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. Okay, this is of the ratio 1x, meaning it's always 1 is to root 3 is to 2. You have to remember these, okay? 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So it might be 1x, root 3x, 2x. The multiplier is always the same. The multiplier is x. So now what is given? The longest side is given. Longest side you can equate it to 2x. If you equate it to 2x, divide by 2, 8 root 3 is x. Right? Now how to find out y? Y is your what is that side? Longest side I equated, I found out x. Okay. Now x is your multiplier. Now they are saying the two sides x and y. X side is the medium side which is opposite to 60. So this is the x value. The shortest side is your y value. Right? Now the shortest side is 8 root 3. We already found out. Right? Now root 3 times x is your medium side which is x. Right? So that will be 8 times 3, 24 will be equal to x. Did you get a hang of it, Kayura?
Oh, yeah, so it's just like memorization, right, on the triangle stuff.
To an extent, but you have to know how you got it. 45, 45, 90 is isosceles, so these two will be the same. When you think about, see, this is x, 2x, right? This is just Pythagorean theorem. X square plus x square equal to, what is that? This is going to be, see, when the two sides of a right triangle is x and x, right? What is the hypotenuse? 2x square. So the square root of this is your hypotenuse. This is nothing but square root of 2 times x. That's what it is.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Similarly, consider an equilateral triangle of side 2x. This is again 2x. This is again 2x. Now, when you draw a median, basically you draw an altitude that is the same as median for an equilateral triangle. So this becomes x, this becomes x. And in an equilateral triangle, if you split it into half, this is a 30, this is a 60 angle, right? Now, this was 2x when you think about it, right? So what is the height? How will you find the height here? This is 2x, right? This is x. So 2x the whole square minus x square. Pythagorean theorem again, that will be the height square, right? So this will be 4x square minus 3x square is 3x square will be equal to the height square. So height will be equal to root 3x. That is how we derive this. Okay, I'm not going in detail, but just a review of what we already discussed. So the ratios are 1 is to root 3 is to 2. This one is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. You have to remember that. Can I move on now? This will come everywhere, guys. They will not just ask you the sides of a triangle. Okay, they'll put it into a polygon and make you find out one of the sides. This will come everywhere and anywhere. It's worth discussing how many ever times we want. Okay, so now I'm going to get into similarity, triangle similarity. We discussed triangle congruence, right? Triangle similarity is something we are going to get into next. What is the difference between triangle congruence and triangle similarity? What is the difference between triangle congruence and which set is similar and which set is congruent? Same shape, same size,
Yes.
same shape, yeah?
No, when you wrote same shape and same size is congruent, and same shape, different sizes is similar.
Yep. So here we say that the triangles are similar. Here we say the triangles are congruent. When the triangles are congruent, you can easily write, hey, let's say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. In this case, you'll very clearly say AB, the first two letters. AB is congruent to D, BC is congruent to EF, last two letters. AC, first and last letters, is congruent to DF. Any questions here? You'll easily say this. But in similar triangles, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. You can't say that they are congruent because they are of different shape, different size. So you can't say they are congruent. But either it will be bigger or smaller. Similar triangles come up with which transformation? Which transformation lead up to similar triangles?
Dilation.
Dilation. When you dilate the original figure, you get a similar triangle. It will either become big or reduce. Which transformation lead up to congruent triangles?
Rotation, translation.
Yeah, any of the rigid motion. Yeah, any of the rigid motion transformation. Like, what are the rigid motion transformation? Translation, reflection, rotation. Any of these will not change the shape. Right? Whoa! So that gets you to any rigid motion transformation will end up with congruent triangle. These are just, I'm trying to connect the topic, guys. Okay. So triangle similarity comes up with dilation. Now, when you see like this, you can say the sides are congruent, right? And you can also say the angles are congruent, because angles should be congruent, right? Meaning which angle? The B angle should be congruent to E, A angle should be congruent to D, C should be congruent to F. Here, what happened, guys? We can't write congruencies like this because one is going to be smaller. Let me also draw that because I don't want you to remember it like this. So I can't say they're congruent. So what can I say about them? Do you know?
They're similar.
They're similar, but yeah, correct. The sides are similar, but that means what? The triangles are similar. They are of different sizes. So the
They're
proportional. Sides are proportional. There is always a multiplication factor, dilation factor. Remember, sides are proportional. Okay, if the image is smaller than the pre-image, then the proportionality factor K, right? K or whatever scale factor you consider, right, is less than 1. Suppose the ending up DEF is bigger, then the proportionality factor or the dilation factor is going to be greater than 1. Sides are proportional. So you can always say AB by, see, same meaning, let's consider, this is the ABC is similar to triangle DEF. See the difference, guys. Here there is no, this is congruent, this is similar. This symbol is congruent. This symbol is similar. Any questions here for me? Can I go ahead? Okay, but what is the sides are proportional? Doesn't make any sense, right? AB by DE. AB by DE is that multiplication factor K, remember? AB by DE is that multiplication factor K. Similarly, BC by DF. BC by DF. Same is equal to the proportionality factor K. Is the same as BC by EF. Any question? What did I make a mistake? Where? AB by DE, BC by EF, BC by EF, BC by EF is the same as AC by DF. Any questions? How do I write it? Very easy. Follow the first two letters, last two letters, last two letters. First and last. Don't get confused at all. Easy, guys, meaning this is the concept of similarity. A polygon also, see, it doesn't have to be a triangle. Okay, can I erase this? I'll go and show a quadrilateral. Let's say these two are similar. No, it doesn't look similar at all. Wait, let me see. What can I do? Yeah, I think this is okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, please don't go by the figures, okay? Don't go by the figures. Never even compare the figures and you cannot come up with it. They'll give you, okay? B, C, D, A is similar. Quadrilateral B, C, D, A is similar to F, G, H, E. They will give you this. Only when they give you, you can write out proportionalities. What is proportional to what? You'll never get it. Otherwise, they will give you this. In that case, you can do BC by FG, CD by GH, DA by HE. Do you see? Guys, do you get it? Or you can say what else? BA, yeah. BA by FE. Make sense? This is how you write proportionality. Am I clear, or did you need, I mean, is there a person who is still not clear? You rise up, guys. This is the time you take advantage of the class. Do well in school. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. Let me see. Now, okay. Be it a triangle, be it a quadrilateral, be it a polygon. If they say similar, the logic applies. Okay. Now, let's see this one. I really want you to do one problem on this. You understood the concept of similarity. So, let's see. How about this? How about this? We'll first cover polygons, okay? Then only we'll go to triangles. Okay. They will give you what is similar to what? The letter numbers they should give you, okay? Now tell me the angle V is similar to which angle on the right side? Let it be a discussion, guys. Angle V is similar, angle V is similar to which angle on the right side?
Angle A.
Angle A. Good job. See, please, see, it looks as if this is equal to this. Don't go by the figure, okay? Figure is so misleading. Sometimes they want to draw it messily as well, okay? go with this. V is similar to A. Make sense? See, when you look at the figure, I feel like telling V is similar to B. No. Okay, the diagrams may be different, misleading. Always go with the order of the letters, then it becomes so easy. Or otherwise, you have to tilt the figure and see. A, you have to match it with V, meaning you have to tilt the figure like this, so that V comes here, T comes here, Z comes here, X comes here. Redraw it and then compare with this. Then you will know which figure matches with what. Figure is always confusing. Not always, sometimes confusing. How about, see, this is another confusing one. Okay. How about this? Is this similar? Let's do polygons first. Let's understand the concept. Then you can do whatever questions comes. See this one? Are we recording the class? I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, we are recording. Okay. Nabiha, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good, ma. Go ahead and do this one for me.
What are we trying to answer?
We are trying to say whether the quadrilaterals are similar, polygons are similar. That's
Okay.
all. Easy ones only we are discussing. Let it be a discussion, guys. You can tell, are they similar?
No.
No, because see, you cannot put 6 by 6. Even if they have twisted the triangle, the square, if you put 6 by 6, right, then it doesn't make any sense. Then this and this should match. No, it's not matching. So that can't be. They would not have twisted the figure. If you think about 6 by 4, right, is it the same as 8 by 6? No. This is 4 by 3, this is 3 by 2. So they're not similar. Okay, let me move on. So similar triangles, I feel easier since we did congruencies. Let's try this one. How about this? It's a good one. Okay, in similar triangles, how about the angles, guys? What do you think about the angles? Let's see. In similar triangles, how about the angles? What happens to the angles? Angles are proportional, you think? Are the angles proportional, you think, or what do you think about the angles?
Will they remain the no? Will they remain the same?
They have to remain the same, because if you do 2x, right, what would happen if this is 40, if this becomes 80, if this is 50, if this becomes 100, that itself give you 180, right? You see what I mean? It will be so messy. So if even similarity, the sides are proportional, the angles are still congruent.
Okay.
Let's move on. Wait, I want to do more problems. Okay, now in similarity, right? We'll do polygons. How about this? Okay, I'm telling you that the two polygons are similar. Okay, can you find out the value of x? Find out the value of x. Oh wow, that was fast, Marshruta.
I can rotate and flip the first figure, right, to match up with the second one.
Why do you want to flip? Flip becomes something else, right?
I was because like
Oh, I
C
see.
has
Yes,
the
yes,
same angle as
yes.
one.
Yes, you can. You have to flip here.
Yeah,
Then
okay.
only they can match. Correct. Agree. Yeah, so see how difficult they have made. Meaning here they have not given the letter numbers. When they don't give the letter numbers, it's always hard. Okay, and it's so confusing. Why I'm not able to write, I don't know. Not great. Okay, guys, just do. I'll get my pen up and running. Something is wrong with it. I don't know what is wrong. Oh. No. Okay, I'm checking, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, I'll try. Hold on. No, I have a problem here. Hold on. Okay. Okay, let's see. Back. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead. Uh-huh. That seems 5 different answers I'm getting. Okay, okay. Mahir, that answer seems incorrect. Can you tell me what you did, Ma? Because I see the same incorrect answer with someone else as well. Mitransh also says x equal to 1. Vinisha says x equal to 1. Mahir says x equal to 1. Srishti says x equal to 5. Oh, there are 2 answers telling x equal to 5. There are 2 answers, there are multiple answers saying x equal to 1, which is correct. See, the thing that is so confusing here is what is very confusing here. You have to match properly, right? Matching them is the main problem. Here clearly my pen for some reason is not writing. So this one is the same as this one. You have to match up with that. So what are you comparing with what? Tilt the figure so that this double angle goes to this side. Or if you are not able to compare, please write it down. Let's write it down. First the double angle C, then the single angle P, B, S. That is similar to what? I started with a C. So R, T, H, J. Any questions here, guys? So first write out the similarity, then only it's easy. That is similar to this. Now, is it easy? BP. How are you going to compare BP? The middle two letters. BP, I can, they're similar, right? Okay. But are you equating it? 1 minute, ma. I don't know how you guys found. Let's see. Let me see the problem once more.
Yes, Priya, if you want, I can explain how I did it.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
So after we wrote it out, CPBS is similar to RTHJ. I took the sides.
Which side you took?
I took HT and PB and BP and wrote that. I did 2x plus 2 over x plus 3. So I did TH over PB. And then I equated that to
TH over PB you can't equate, right? Because they are not congruent, right?
no, like over. They're like proportional.
Oh, okay. So you made proportion. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Go ahead. Mm.
So I did 2x plus 2 over x plus 3 equals HJ over BS.
Okay, let's do that. Oh, I am having a hard time with writing. Hold on. Let me see. So you did HT divide by
BP.
HT divide by BP, correct. BP will be equal to what?
2x plus 2 over x plus 3.
Will be equal to HT. 2x plus 2 by x plus 3. 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Okay, so that will be equal to what?
And that will be equal to HJ over SBS.
HJ, yeah, the last two letters. HJ over BS.
BS.
Yep, HJ over BS is given, right? HJ over BS
Yeah.
is 3 by 2. So now can I equate both? I can equate both. When I equate these two things, I'll be able to say 3 by 2 will be equal to 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 3.
X plus 3. And I just did cross multiplication to get 3x plus 9 equals 4x plus 4.
Yep. Where did we go wrong? Srishti's answer was different. Whose answer was different? Plus 9. There were so many different answers. Many of them said 1, some of them said 5. So here this will be equal to 4x plus 4. So when you solve this, you get x equal to 5. Where did we go wrong? Did you guys get it? Mahir, did you get it, Ma? Mahir?
I got it.
Okay. Srishti, what was your answer, Ma?
It was 5. Like that's what I got.
So you got it. Okay. Who else
Yeah.
didn't get it?
Miss
Vipin,
Priya,
yeah, Ma?
I got it. I just was late to enter it because you were already solving it before I could enter it.
Okay, no problem, Kayura. Mahir, the image that you have sent is really helpful. So you equated both, but you cannot equate it here. Did you understand why, Ma? Yeah, we are considering similar triangles, so you cannot equate. Whoever equated considered that it was congruent, but they are similar. So you have to write proportions. Don't forget that. Okay. Now let's move on. So that was a good one. Okay. How about this? This is also a nice one. Let's see. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x. A little bit of focus is required. The only major difference is you have to find proportionality in similar polygons or triangles or whatever and go by the order of the letters.
Are we trying to figure out the measure of x and y in the angle?
Come again, ma?
Are we trying to figure out the measure of x and y, both, or just one?
We are trying to find the values of x and y.
Okay.
You think you can't do?
No, because I thought wait, never mind. Wait, does it also apply to rectangle? If in triangles, you said that when the sides are similar, the angles are congruent.
Correct.
Quadrilaterals, does that also apply?
Yeah, the concept of similarity is the same. You see what I mean? Huh? It doesn't matter what shape it is. So when you understand the concept, you can apply it anywhere.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
Similarity means sides are proportional, angles are congruent. Wherever it is, whatever shape it is. So that makes it all easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else needs more inputs? Ask for input, guys. You can do by yourself. So the very problematic one here is they have made a mess with the angles. Which angle is similar to which angle? Which angle is congruent to which angle? No idea. How do you do it? Look at the order of the letters. The letter numbers are given, right? Make use of the letter numbers to match them up. I'm going to bring an eraser, guys. Hold on. Done, guys. I have 3 answers. I think Vinisha got it, Ashita got it, Vibha got it. So, not a hard one, provided you're able to relate the angles. How do you relate? A with Q, B with S. A with Q means nothing to compare.
Priya, before you solve, can you check my answer? Because I want to know what I did wrong, if I did anything wrong.
Yeah, your answer is right.
Okay, thank you.
Drishti, you got it too. So you just relate the angles. B with Q, na? Can you relate B with Q? No, nothing is there to relate with Q. I just want D. Let me do D with P. D with P is easy. 97 equal to x plus 34. Mahir, are you getting? And then you can relate what? R with what? Third letter. R with C. 83 equal to 3y minus 13. Solve for x and y. X will be 63, y will be 32. Mitran, did you get it? Mitransh? Hey Mitransh, did you get it? Yes. Oh, you got the answer? Oh yeah. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so you know the concept now. Let's see. Okay, how about this? It's a good one. Okay, how about this, guys? Can you talk about the triangle LTK and MTK? There can be difficult problems on this, but once you understand the concept, you can solve anything given. What can you talk about the triangle LTK? Let's talk about the triangle LTK and LTK and MTK. I don't want to give you the letter numbers. You have to form the letter numbers. What do you think about the two triangles? This triangle and this triangle. Think and tell me.
They're congruent.
Good. If they are congruent, are they similar?
Yes,
Yes. If they are congruent, they are similar as well. Why?
because they can have a proportion of
Yep.
one.
Yep. The proportionality factor ends up to be 1. That's it. They are congruent. Why do you say they are congruent, and how did you decide that their proportionality constant is 1?
I did
Mm.
I did triangle LKT
Mm.
and MKT.
LKT, and then you did MKT. Okay. So why did you conclude that they are congruent?
Because then, because that LT side LT was congruent to
So
side MT.
LT was congruent to MT, correct? MT, then, and the angles were also congruent. When you
Yeah.
think about it, LTK angle is congruent to MTK. And then this is a common side. So what congruency it was?
SAS.
Yeah, it was SAS. SAS congruence. So that told me the triangle LTK, I'm sorry, LTK is congruent to triangle MTK, the order of the letters. So that being the case, I can say they are similar. The question was, are they similar? But I just wanted you to talk about the triangles. So even if they are congruent, yes, then they are similar because the proportionality ratio is 1. How about this? How about this? Okay, how about this? This is a difficult, not a difficult one, but really depends on your fraction manipulations. I'll wait. I'll wait on this. We will also try to cover similar triangles. What are the similarities that we have? So, I would like to cover a few. Let's see. I want to cover at least AA, SSS, SAS today. That way you have some solid homework. You understood the concept, right? So we already discussed congruency. So there's nothing much. If I say that there is AA similarity, SAS similarity and SSS similarity, you already know what it is. So we'll cover that today. I'll wait, guys. More of fraction manipulation. Nothing else big about this. Can I help? Yes, I got two answers. Lama, Nabiha, I want what is that making you say yes or no? Okay, I'm going to do this, I feel. Dimensions of a 17-inch panel computer screen, okay, are approximately this. Okay. 13 and a half, 13 1 by 4 and 10 3 by 4. I better write it right. Dimensions of a 19-inch panel, okay, computer screen are 14 and a half by 12. Okay. Are they similar? They're asking. I don't know what you guys did, but I'm going to do it this way. 43 by 4 divided by 12, which should be 43 by 48. 43 by 48, I don't know what it is. I can't even say 9. Oh no, 9 I can say. 56,
Wait,
36.
Miss Priya, how do we know if we're supposed to take 13 1 by 4 with 12 or 14 and a half?
Oh, the longer side with the longer side.
Okay.
I took it that way. Make sense?
Okay.
Shorter with the shorter side, because there's no other.
Wait, if you did. Wait, never mind.
It can't be, right, ma? Yeah, that's the only way, right, ma, Ashrita?
Yeah, no, I got confused when you were like solving it below.
Okay, so, okay. 430 by 48 is 0, 9. So, 48 times 9 is 9 4 are 3, 68 9 are 72. That is also not going on. Oh my god. 8. 8 9 4 are 320, 64, 384. So you have 16 here, 30 there. 46, 460, again 0.89 will be there. How about the other one? The other one is what? 13 4s are 40, 12, 52, 53 by 4 divided by 20, 29 by 2. Okay, so that becomes 53 by 58. Oh, that's another pain. 53 by 58 is 53 divided by 58. 0, 580 can't be there. It can be 0.9, I think. 9, 8 9 is 72, 7 9 is 45 plus 7, 52. Yeah, 0.9. 0.9 and 0.9, right? I can take that they are similar. That's 0.89. This is 0.9. So they are similar. Makes sense?
Wait,
Did that?
if you go further in solving the 53 by 58, don't you get 0.91?
0.91, 0.89 ma. Very to the nearest tenth only they are saying, right ma? See here, to the nearest tenth.
Okay.
So when I round it right, this becomes 0.9. When I
Okay.
round this right, this becomes 0.9. So they are similar. Makes sense?
Okay.
Are you all with me? Can I
I
move on?
did the other way. I did 14
Absolutely
and
okay.
a
Then I
half.
think you will get 1.1, right?
Yeah.
That's okay. Both doesn't matter, right? It just depends on new by old or old by new. It's okay. Okay, now I really want to cover the types of similarity today. Can I take 4 more minutes of your time, guys? 4 or 5 more minutes of your time?
Yeah.
I'll just finish that. So it's not hard at all since you've already gone through similar congruency. This one should not be hard at all. Okay, we are going to see with respect to congruency. We discussed what was the only congruence that wasn't there. What was the only congruence that wasn't there?
Was it where?
What was that? What was the congruence? It cannot be said that they are congruent. What was that?
AAS?
AS was there. SSA was the only congruence we did not have. Remember this, guys. SSA is so important. Okay. Now coming to similar triangles, right? Let's discuss the first three. Okay. How about this? These three are only the ones that we are going to discuss. One is, see, when you have two angles, AA similarity is there, meaning two angles of one triangle are congruent to two. If two angles are congruent, automatically the other angle is also going to be congruent. So that is implicit. So when two angles are congruent, you can say, yes, the triangles are similar because of AA similarity. And when they say the measure of the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, they give you that the sides are proportional. All the three sides are proportional means it is SSS similarity. Okay, but instead sometimes they can go ahead and give you with the last one. Let's see. What they may say is the measure of one triangle, the measure of the two sides of the triangle. Let's say this one. I can't say congruent as well. Okay, let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. They might give it to you like this. AB by DE equal to BC by EF. And they can say, and the included angle, see here, AB and BC are taken into account of this triangle. So here you have to talk about ABC. They have to say B is congruent to E. If they give you this, then I can say triangles are similar. Whereas if they give you like this, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, the two triangle sides are proportional. But then let's say they give you angle C is congruent to angle F. See, that angle is not at all related to our sides. If they give you that these two sides are congruent, can this triangle be similar? No, because this makes up, this is S, that becomes SSA and stuff. We don't want that. Whereas when they give you about the included angle here, B is equal to E, they give you this, then I can say triangles are similar using SAS similarity. Any questions here? So we know AA, SSS and SAS. Let's go ahead and do a couple problems, then I'll let you go. How about this? I want you to do one second, guys. Let's do how about this? This is a good one. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Find VS. Find VS given this figure. Can I help or you want to do? This is a 7th grade problem. This we have already done it in 7th grade 100%. You can try. One is like that, one is another one. Let me give you that. We'll do two more and I'll let you go. But I want you to be able to differentiate. SAS, let me see, guys. Give me a minute. SAS without an SAS, I want you to be able to distinguish. Yeah, try that. Let's see. Would you be able to find this? Can I do on the board as well? You have to let me know immediately. We need to find VS.
I got my answer.
Yes, ma, I'll check now. Mitransh, no, they don't have the same skill factor. Nabiha and Mitransh, you agree, right? The last question?
Yeah.
To the nearest 10 they had given. Srishti, that's right. Ashrita, that's right. So that was easy on you guys. So here guys, the only biggest thing is, please understand that this is 12 minus x. Okay, this one. So when you compare the similarity, write the proportionality equation, right? You can write 12
Yeah, isn't it x minus 12? Because 12
x
minus
minus
x will
12.
be
Sorry,
negative.
sorry, my yes. So this will be the side 12 by x will be equal to 3 by 5. This sort of proportionality, if you are able to do, great. Sometimes you might end up using this side. Please understand that's x minus 12. That's it. So here you can do 3x equal to 60, x equal to 20. It was an easy one, I understand. How about this? We'll do one more. We'll do one more of... this is an easy one. But you can do this one. How about this? One more I'll do and let you go. This one. In the figure, P is congruent to S. Which of the following additional pieces? That's a good one, because you have to find out. Information would allow you to prove that this triangle is similar to the other triangle. They've given one angle as congruent. So what information would you need? Oh my god, yeah. That's a nice one. You know what? What information would allow you to prove that they are congruent? QR, okay. Why Mitransh? Why do you, okay, but what about one Mitransh? Your answer is partially right. What about number one? Number one, if you have, what similarity it is? Okay, number one is what similarity, Nabiha? Okay, I have this, right? I have this. What similarity is that then? What similarity is that? I have this angle congruent. I have Q is congruent to T. What similarity is there between these two triangles?
AA similarity.
AA similarity. So this proves AA similarity. So number one is an option for sure. Okay, now the next one. PQ is 8, ST is 6, PR is 12, SU is 9. So 8 by 12. 8 by 12 is 2 by 3. 6 by 9 is 2 by 3. So yeah. So this, see, this angle included, this angle is the included angle between the sides. So they have given that. So this and this one is what similarity is that?
SAS.
This is SAS similarity. So that can as well prove that similarity, right? QR is congruent to TU. That doesn't prove anything, because you have, let me erase all this off. You have one angle. You have this, let me erase everything off. You have one angle and then unnecessary unrelated side. You can't prove anything with this. So basically this is right. Make sense?
Wait, so the only ones for similarity are AA, SSS, and SAS. The rest of them are for congruence? Like
SAS.
AAS?
No. We are only dealing with these three today.
Okay.
Does that make sense? I have
Yeah.
only gone over these things. I have not gone over. Is there anything else? A similarity. You don't need A similarity, right, Amma? Ashrita. Because AAS is what?
Angle side
Yeah,
relationship.
yeah, but then AAS similarity means what? Already AA are similar, right? Why would you need AAS? I'm asking. You see my question, huh?
Yeah.
Ashita, what I'm asking is, why do you need AAS similarity here? This itself means this similarity is already present here, right? Why
Yeah.
would you need this? There's not required, I'm saying. Make sense?
Okay. Yes.
Only these three are there. But then we are dealing with only these three today. But I don't know what part of similarity I have not covered for you. So that will be done next week. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, I think there is more to similarity for geometry benchmarks. I need to check once, okay? So we will do that next week. Okay, but these are the three similarities we are learning. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but congruence is a lot more. HL congruence is there. Okay, but
Yeah.
if it is congruent, it's also similar. Remember that.
Yes.
SSA can't be there in congruence. So I'll stop here, guys. Similarity is easy, provided you understood congruence already. Okay, next week we'll go to triangle, whatever incomplete in similarity, and then triangle properties, medians, all that stuff we'll do next week. Okay, yeah. Ashrita, AAS is not there. You understood, right, ma? Okay.
Yeah.
Srishti, correct, ma. Any other questions for me? Good, ma. Any questions for me? Okay, then see you all next week. Have a nice week ahead at school and see you all next week, guys.
Mine is prayer.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.